Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying where you are and what the shell sees. Open command prompt, then run echo %cd% to show the current directory. Next run dir to list files. Once done, confirm the file or folder name exactly. Windows is forgiving about case, but strict about typos and spaces. If you launched CMD from a shortcut or script, check that the working directory is set correctly. Change it with cdc, /path / to /folder when necessary, and watch for trailing backslashes. Next, inspect the environment variables and absolute references. Run echo %path% to view system and user path entries, then use where followed by the command name to find installed executables. If where fails, add the correct directory to path via setxpath %path%, c /new /bin, or through system properties. Make sure to restart the shell to apply changes. For file targets, prefer typing the full absolute path. That prevents CMD from looking in the wrong folder, which is the usual cause. Finally, apply fixes and confirm the problem is gone. Correct any spelling errors, wrap paths containing spaces in quotes like C, /program files /app /file, exe, and use backslashes. Once you update path or move files, close and reopen command prompt so the environment reloads, then rerun the command to verify success. If it still fails, check file permissions in Properties. You might lack read or execute rights. And try the command from another user account to isolate permission versus path issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.